All of you, in this tutorial we will learn how to edit, overwrite, delete, copy, move the text, insert row and column, changing row height, column width, etc. Let us see how to do it. I have already opened one sheet for you. You can have a look at. This is sheet 1 and data have been entered, and you can see in row number 12 and 13 unnecessary data have been entered. So if you want to delete particular cell, content of particular cell, what will you do it? You can use space bar. It's very simple. And if you want to delete whole row, what are you going to do? Select row selector like this, right click over there and click delete, and this is gone. Similarly, if you want to delete column, what are you? Column, right click and delete column. Alright. Now another method is there to clear contents. Okay, we are not going to select complete row, but only within this area we want to delete. So for that, what will you do it? Go to clear here and clear contents, and this is gone. Now you can have a look at here. Data properly cannot be seen. Okay, the word is electronic good. So good is not seen properly. So in this case, what will you do it? You will move the pointer on the divider and drag right, and you can see the word goods can be seen now properly. Or otherwise, there is another method. You go to format. Here is format and column width, and define column width. You can define 24, and now you can see you are able to see this. Okay, now if you wish, you can replace the text directly. Say you feel that this amount is too big, you can reduce this by simply typing this, and this is done. Click outside. Now let us see, we are going to move the text to other places. In sheet number 2, click plus button here, and thus sheet number 2 is appearing. We'll select whole data and press Ctrl and C from the keyboard and go to sheet 2 and press Ctrl and V to paste it, and thus you can see this is appearing. Okay, if you want to place somewhere this side, place the cursor. So placing of cursor is very important. Point is important. Control V, you can do it. And if you want to undo it, you don't want to paste here, Control plus Z to undo. Control Z. Okay, this is the way how you can do it. Coming to another one, you can change the font size, etc. from here. Font size is here. You can select any number. You can select any font from here. Alright, if you wish. And you can merge and center. You can merge and center the word. Here is merge and center. Okay, so thus the text will appear in the middle. This. So this is the way how you can cut, copy, paste, how you can delete, how you can expand column and row. If you want to expand height of the row, what will you do it? Select, like, move the pointer to the divider and drag up or down. You can see you can do it like this. Now if you want to insert columns, say you want 2 columns, select 2 columns, 2 blank columns you want, right click here and insert, and thus 2 columns are appearing here. Control Z to undo it. If you want in between 2 display, right click here and insert, thus 2 columns are appearing. Control plus Z to undo. Similarly, if you want blank rows here, select them, right click and insert. So this is the way how you can do it. Control plus Z to undo it. Review the video once again and learn.